Jai Hind students, this is chapter number 4 for class 11th history. Now, here is Abbasi uh, revolution for their uh, success in centralizing the Muslim policy. The Umayyad paid a heavy price as well. Organized movement called Dawa brought down in Umayyad and replaced them with other families of Makkah origin, the Abbasid, in 750. The Abbasid portrayed the Umayyad region as evil and promised a restoration of the original Islam of the Prophet. Now a clash started between these two, Abbasi and Umayyad. The revolution led not only to a change of the dynasty but change of the political structure and culture of the Islamic. The Abbasid uprising broken out in the distant region of the Quraysh eastern Iran. A 20-day journey from Damish on fast horse. Quraysh had a mixed Arab-Iran population which could be mobilized for various regions. The Arabian soldiers here were mostly from Iraq and resented the dominance of Syrians. The civil Arabs of the Quraysh disliked the Umayyad regime uh, for having made promise of the tax uh, concession and the privilege which were never fulfilled. As for the Iranian Muslim Muawwila, they were exposed to the scorn of the race consequence of the Arabs and were enared to join any com- companion of throughout the Umayyad. The Abbasi discard of the Abbas and Prophet uncle. So these type of situation were created there, and Al Buyat would liberated them from oppressive Umayyad regime. So under Abbasi rule, Arab influence declined while the importance of the Islamic culture increases. The Abbasi established their caliphate at Baghdad near the rule of the ancient Iranian Mesopotamia Caesarian non-tribal basis to ensure the great participation by Iraq and Quraysh. So protested Islamic institution of the scholar, but they were forced by need of the government and emperor related the centralized nature of they maintained the manufacturing magnificent imperial architecture and elaborate court ceremonials of the Umayyad. So here is a figure given of the mosque, the great mosque of Mutawakkil Samaria, the second Abbasid Caliph, built it 800 in 850 50s. It is 50-meter tall height building. It is a mosque.